Today I bring you this axial piston variable pump 45 series, mostly used in engineering machinery and mining equipment, such as 45 series FR074B, can be used as the main oil pump of CDY3202L drilling rig. LR025C can be used as CDY320L walking oil pump, and CDY3201L drilling rig auxiliary oil pump. JRR060 can be used on drilling rig HYDX and other models. FR074 can be used for CDY450LXS. Crawler type full hydraulic tunnel drilling rig for coal mines. Through-axis drive configuration is suitable for multi-circuit systems. Various mounting flanges. Input shaft and oil port. Options are easy to install. High-strength bearings. Enable the input shaft to withstand large external loads. 45 series also has a variety of control methods and specifications to choose from. Want to know more? Remember to follow and leave a message.